YouTube? BatFreak20 here. So this may apply to some of you. For those of you it doesn't, I guess you can still take this into consideration or thought. And without further ado, here I go. So this video is going to be about my top 5 movies that I like to watch when it is wet and rainy. And lately here, it has been really wet and rainy and cold and nasty. And it's been like this for about almost a week now. And for some people, that this kind of weather, it just makes you feel down. And me, I like watching movies, so these are my top 5 rainy day movies, and I'm going to show y'all those, so enjoy! Okay, number 1 on my list is Casper. For those of you who have not seen this movie, I highly recommend it. This came out in like 1990 something, and not only that, it has Christina Ricci. For those of you who don't know, she played Wednesday Addams in the Addams Family. Alright, my second movie. Drum roll. R.L. Stine's The Haunting Hour. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. A little joke, but for those of you who have not seen this movie, it has Emily Osment, and she plays a goth girl who discovers a book at a bookstore called The Evil Thing, and stuff just gets crazy and monsters get cut loose and all that good, funny R.L. Stine horror that everyone enjoys. The character she plays is named Cassie, and she's actually a pretty well portrayed movie goth, in my opinion, because a lot of movie goths are so over characterized like they're not even right, but that is a whole nother subject that we will probably discuss on a later date. Back on track, my third movie is Brandon Lee, The Crow. See if you can see that. This is a phenomenal movie. It is a highly adored goth classic, and if you have not seen it, I highly recommend you watch it. And this is actually the first one. I believe there's about, I want to say 3 or 4 other sequels to this movie. So enjoy. My fourth movie on the list is another classic. I am a softie for classic movies. I love I love a lot of older movies, so don't judge me. My fourth one is The Poltergeist. Again, great movie. If you haven't seen it, check it out. Basically, the plot line to this movie is their house is on land that the owner, he built houses on a cemetery, and they didn't move the bodies. The bodies are still there, so the dead people are pissed and they're haunting them, and funny, crazy things happen. It's actually, for me, it's a more humorous movie than a scary movie, but you can be the judge of that. My last movie on the list is James and the Giant Peach. Another classic, very good, heartwarming, and it's made by Tim Burton, so what more could you ask for? So those are my top 5 rainy day movies. If y'all have any movies that y'all would like to share, post me a message or make a video and tag me in it. And I would love to see y'all's rainy day movies. So thank you so much for watching. I love all of y'all and have a good day. Bye. That freaked. Wow. Cut.